Mutongoria wa mwahu wa Azimio la Umoja Raila odinga niekinyetie ukunguireini wa Ugai wa Mahinya gatagta ga thirikari nene na iria ya kaunti kiria kiri nduku yakeri muciini wa Eldoret na kuria augeti Ugai uyu niuhotithetie kaunti nyingi gukorwo cigikuria toria mwandiki witu Mahinya wa mucwe aratariria.
Areni nduku yakeri ya ukunguiri wa Ugai wa Mahinya gatagta ga thirikari na iria cia kaunti mutongoria wa mwahu wa Azimio la Umoja One Kenya Coalition Raila odinga niekinyetie Kigomano-Ini giki kuri augete kuma gatiba ya hetukia Ugai wa Mahinya bururi-ini ucenjetie no gakorwo gikura na gitaro kia iguru.
Years into devolution, Kenya is a much transformed landscape with an amazing opportunity for rural economic revival and transformation. There is now economic life in rural areas. Some previously dead towns and market centers are beaming with the life after devolution.
Ona thegia mothe maria kaunti cikinyaneirie Raila ni ahinyiriirie thirikari nene kurekia wigerereki wa waki wa nyumba cia raithi ari ni hamwe na kagoyo gwa bataraitha ya raithi kuri kaunti niguo cikinyaneirie kuri andu othe na thirikari nene yatengire mbeca nyingi guthii ugima-ini wa mwiri mbeca ifatairwo kunengerwo counties amu ugima wa mwiri ni wigerereki wao ari ni hamwe na waki wa thoko kaunti-ini ciothe.
In the Finance Act 2023, the budget for health has grown by 32 billion shillings at the national level. Recurrent expenditure alone has increased by 17%, yet most of the health functions are devolved.
Raila ni anyitanire na magavana gutigirira wigerereki wa wothe ni manengerwo ni thirikari nene ona thengia gukorwo na maoni ngurani iguru ria maumirira kuria endekithitie ni undu mwega kuona kaunti imwe nyeneirie maundu manene gukira maria thirikari ingihota gukinyaniria itinaini ria miaka 50.
But when it comes to devolution, I believe our differences are only as to the method of attaining a goal. There has never been and there shall never be an argument between us about the goal. We all appreciate devolution. We all want devolution. In some counties, devolution was achieved in 10 years, what the national government was never able to achieve in 50 years.
Ndumiriri-ini yake uteti ndunakorwo gitigwo na thutha kuona Raila ugite mirurungano iria thirikari irafinga na gikiro kinene niyo yahuthikire hindi ya gucenjio gwa katiba na kuingirio kwa Ugai wa Mahinya uria urakungwirwo umuthi.
That this katiba that we have is a product of maandamano. And I also want to remind that if maandamano can help families whose children were cheated or money being taken to Finland, there's nothing wrong with maandamano.
Handu-ini ha Muthingi TV, Mahinya wa mucwe.